Dear children, let us begin a new chapter, chapter 3, data handling. Chapter 3, data handling. Data handling. So you can see page number 57, 58, 59 orders, 57 orders, chapter 3, data handling. So today we'll discuss about example number 1, page number 60. Please take page number 60. Ashish studies for 4 hours, 5 hours and 3 hours respectively on 3 consecutive days. How many hours he study on daily average? Consecutive days means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That is consecutive days. Or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In between there should be no gap. So how to find out the average? So the average, what is the average? How to find out? Example 1 on page number 60. Page number 60. Example 1. The average. How to find out? Average equal to first day 4 hours, second day 5 hours, and third day 3 hours. So the formula is average equal to total number of study hours. Total number of study hours upon number of days for which he studied. Number of days for which he studied. STUDID. That is equal to first day how many hours? 4 plus 5 plus 3 divided by 3. First day 4 hours, second day 5 hours, and third day 3 hours. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 divided by 3, 3 4s are. That is average equal to 4 hours. So 4 hours per day. Then example 2 is from cricket. It's from cricket. A batsman, example 2, a batsman scored the following number of runs in 6 innings. A batsman scored first innings 36. Example 2. First innings 36 runs. Second innings 35 runs. Then 50 runs. Then 46 runs. Then 60 runs. Then 55 runs. So this is the runs scored by a batsman in the 6 innings. First inning 36, second inning 35, third inning 50, fourth inning 46, then 60 and 56. Then how to find out the average? So the average is what is? Total runs divided by number of innings. So how to find out the average? Average equal to total runs upon number of innings. INGS innings. So total number कैसे करेगा? ये सब प्लस करना पड़ेगा. 36 plus 35 plus 50 46 plus 60 plus 55 upon 1 2 3 4 5 6 innings. Okay. Now adding all these two. How to add this number? 36, 35, 50, 4 6 46, 60 60, double 5 55. How to add? 5 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, plus 6, 22, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 17, 22, 22, 3, 25 plus 3, 28, 282. So the answer is 282. What is the answer? 282 upon 6. Now you have to divide. We need to divide. 282 divided by 6. 282 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, remainder 4, 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 42. So the answer is, what is the average is 47 runs. The average is 47 runs. So that is the average, 47 runs. Okay. Then so these are the two examples given there, and example 3 also there on page number 62. What is example 3? We will take one more example from page number 62. Page number 62. Please take page number 62. The age in 10 years of each 10 teachers of school is given: 32, 41, 28, 54, 35, 26, 23, 33, 38 and 40. So what is the age of the oldest teacher? So we find that the oldest teacher is the 54. We have to find out arranging ascending order the oldest teacher, and we need to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means first one the smallest one, then the biggest one, then the bigger one. So you can see the age of the oldest teacher is 54. The range, what is the range? Range means, you can look at here, the age of teacher, the highest age is HIGH, highest age is 54 years. Highest age is 54 years, and the smallest age is कितना है 23. Smallest age equal to 23. So therefore range equal to 54 minus 23. 131 is 31 is the range. The mean of course, how to find out? We need to add all the ages 23, 26, 28, 32, 33, 35, 38, 40, 41, 54. So you will get the average equal to mean. What is that? इसको average, the another name is mean. Mean is also known as average. Average को mean भी बोल सकता है. Mean equal to the total कितना हुआ? ये सब टीचर का एक प्लस करेगा तो आपका 350 और टोटल नंबर ऑफ टीचर्स 10. So 0 0 cancel equal to 35 years. So average and mean are both are same mean. So dear students, so please complete, write the heading chapter 3 data handling and complete example 1, 2, 3, and also exercise 3.1. Also please complete exercise 3.1. So that's your homework. Okay then, and we'll meet next period with another topic. And today the important point is average and mean both are same mean. So you can say average or either you can say mean, both are same, no difference. Average and mean are the same. Find the mean. So total number जितना भी ऑब्जर्वेशन दिया है इसको टोटल करके नंबर से डिवाइड करना है. तो आपका होमवर्क है चैप्टर हेडिंग लिखकर एग्जाम्पल 1, 2, 3 कंप्लीट करना है और इसके साथ में एक्सरसाइज 3.1 भी कंप्लीट करना है. ओके देन, विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन, बाय बाय.